Welcome back to Runman Records Design. Today we show you creative design ideas for a small apartment. Smart interior design. Maximizing style and space. Creative design ideas for small apartment living. Living in a small apartment can feel like a puzzle with too few pieces. You squeeze into tight spots, stack boxes in corners, and dream of room to breathe. But here's the good news. Small spaces pack huge potential for style and smarts. Smart interior design turns limits into wins. Think clever layouts that flow like a breeze. Walls that work overtime. And furniture that pulls double duty. This guide hands you real tricks to make your compact home feel open, fresh, and all yours. Get ready to rethink every inch. Mastering layout and flow, the foundation of small space design. Layout sets the stage for how your apartment lives and breathes. Bad placement chokes the room. Smart choices open it up. Start here to build a base that boosts daily ease. Zoning techniques for open concept spaces. Open layouts shine in small apartments, but they need boundaries to stay clear. Use area racks to carve out spots without walls blocking light. A soft rack under your couch marks the living zone, while a firmer one by the table hints at dining. Open shelving acts like a gentle divider. Place a low unit between sleep and lounge areas to hold books or plants. It lets eyes wander but keeps functions separate. Lighting zones add magic. Hang a pendant over the eating spot and floor lamps in the chill area. These cues guide you naturally, making the space feel planned and cozy. The power of sidelines and negative space. Clear views trick your brain into seeing more room. Block a sideline and the area shrinks fast. Keep paths open to let light and air move free. Negative space, the empty spots, matters most. Don't cram every corner. Leave breathing room around key pieces. A chair with space behind it feels airy, not cramped. Pick furniture with legs that show the floor. Low sofas or tables with slim bases let the ground peek through. This lifts the eye, making walls seem farther apart. Ever notice how a cluttered path stresses you out? Clear it and calm follows. Vertical victory, utilizing wall space for storage and display. Floors fill up fast in tiny homes, so look up. Walls offer endless room for stuff and flair. Turn them into alleys for a lighter load. Floating shelves and wall-mounted solutions. Floating shelves lift gear off the ground without bulk. Mount them at eye level for books or decor that doesn't crowd. They're easy to install and swap as moods shift. Wall desks fold down for work, then vanish. Perfect for renters who can't drill much. A mounted nightstand saves floor next to your bed, holding lamps or clocks. These hacks free up paths. No more tripping over stacks. Plus, they add personality, stacked plants or art to show your vibe. Friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video about creative ideas for a small apartment helpful. You've been watching the Runman Records design channel about smart design and decor.